Hello everyone, welcome to Hydrocarbons Part 3 where we are going to learn about alkynes. Now, what are these alkynes? Alkynes are again compounds of carbon and hydrogen, but they contain a triple bond, and this triple bond is a sign of high unsaturation, or they are called as highly unsaturated hydrocarbons. Now, why do they call unsaturated? Because of presence of the double bond or triple bond. And why are they forming this double bond or triple bond? Because the carbon is not available with, or there is no enough hydrogen available to form a bond with the carbon. So, the two carbon atoms, without any other go, they are compelled to form a strained double bond or a triple bond in between them. So these kind of compounds, what is the advantage, we'll learn in later videos. The first member of this alkyne series, the name is alkane, alkene, alkyne. Only this last digits letters change. Okay. So now what is this alkynes triple bond? The first member has to contain two carbon. The first member comes from the ethane. Ethane is the alkane having two carbon atom. So here ethyne is the first alkyne having two carbon atom. So if I draw a double bond between, triple bond between them, I am left with only two hydrogen to be bonded. So the first member formula is C2H2 having two carbon. The second member, I am going to add one CH2. As I have told you, homologous series, the successive members differ by a CH2. So if I add a CH2, the next member will be C3H4. There is C2H2 plus CH2, C3, and 2 plus 2H4, 3 carbon system. 3 carbon means alkane is propane. So here the name will be propyne. Now, 3 carbon, you can see here in the structure there is only one triple bond. So for the first, if I take this as the first carbon, 3 valency satisfied by carbon-carbon triple bond and 1 valency satisfied by carbon-hydrogen single bond. And for this carbon, there is no hydrogen required at all. 3 valency satisfied by carbon-carbon triple bond and 1 valency satisfied by carbon-carbon single bond. Whereas third carbon, all are single bonds only with 3 hydrogen and 1 carbon. So in a long chain also there will be only one triple bond. It is not necessary that because of 3 carbon I can have more. There are compounds like that, but the general molecular formula will change them. As for alkynes, they will have only one triple bond. The next member, C4 system. So C3H4 plus CH2, I will get C4H6. So I have shown you, I have put 4 carbon and any one triple bond here. For the same thing, I can draw one more structure. Let me show you. This is I written as homologous series. For the same thing, shall I draw like this? Carbon, carbon, 4 carbon. In this case, after the first carbon, I have drawn the triple bond. Now let me put it in between the second and the third carbon. So if I put like this, and if I name my chain from this side, 1, 2, 3, 4. For the second and the third carbon, valencies are satisfied. The valency of carbon is only 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bonds are formed for carbon number 2 and 4 bonds are formed for carbon number 3 also. Now for carbon number 1, I need 3 more bonds to be formed because this is only 1. So I can draw 3 bonds here and put hydrogen. Similarly, for the fourth carbon, I put hydrogen. So again, now you can see, let us see how many hydrogen, 6 hydrogen, same molecular formula. So these both have the same molecular formula, that is C4H6, but different structural formula. These kind of compounds are called as isomers. Stay tuned to the channel to see the comparison of alkane, alkene and alkynes in the next video. Thank you. Happy learning.